how to withdraw money from Forex trading account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to first log into your Forex trading account, and after that you will be able to find the option of transfers at the top left hand side corner. After logging into your account, just simply hover around your cursor on it, and after that you will be able to find the option of withdraw funds. Just simply click on withdraw funds and then it will redirect you to a different window. Over there you will have to select the method of payment using which you want to withdraw the funds. Then type the amount that you want to withdraw and add your card details which are associated with the bank account. Now save this particular card and an email will be sent on the email which is registered with this particular account. After that, just open up your email address and you just have to confirm your withdrawal using your email address. Just log into your trading account again and now you would be able to withdraw. And this is how you withdraw from Forex trading account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.